The Andromeda Galaxy, a majestic barred spiral galaxy adorned with swirling arms and a dusty bulge at its center, holds a special place in our cosmic neighborhood. Designated Messier 31M31 or NGC 224 in astronomical catalogues, it's the closest major galaxy to our Milky Way, residing a staggering 2.5 million light-years distant. Despite the immense distance, on a clear, moonless night, and with a little help from dark skies, Andromeda can be faintly spotted as a fuzzy patch of light by the naked eye, making it one of the most distant objects visible without a telescope. Reigning supreme in size among the galaxies of the local group, a collection of gravity-bound galaxies that includes our own Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy boasts a remarkable size. Andromeda shares many similarities with our home galaxy. Both are barred spiral galaxies, characterized by prominent spiral arms wrapped around a central bar-shaped region of stars and gas. Andromeda is estimated to harbor over 1 trillion stars, potentially even more than the Milky Way. The fate of Andromeda and the Milky Way is intertwined. Astronomical observations suggest they are hurtling towards each other. In a mind-bogglingly distant future, roughly 4.5 billion years from now, these two galactic giants are predicted to merge in a spectacular dance. The outcome of this cosmic interaction is still being theorized, but it is likely to result in the formation of a much larger elliptical galaxy. The study of Andromeda Galaxy not only deepens our understanding of galactic evolution but also serves as a window into our own Milky Way's past and future. By dissecting the structure, composition, and stellar populations of Andromeda, astronomers can glean valuable insights into the processes that shaped our galaxy and the potential destiny that awaits it billions of years down the road.